A very good morning, children. Hope you had a nice weekend. So today we are going to continue our exercise 3.1 starting with 6th Roman. 6th Roman is all about finding the unknown angles of the given polygons. So I chose B since A is going to be our homework for today. As I am going to explain B and C for today's class, you will be able to do that A as homework. So please check the board. So the question is, find the angle measure of X in the following figures. So they gave some polygons in the question and asked us to find the value of X. That means what is the angle measure of X. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us name it. For example, A, B, C and D. Okay. So clearly ABCD is a quadrilateral. The reason why we are specifying the polygon as quadrilateral or square or whatever it is, in order to know the angle measure of the whole figure. Okay, quadrilateral. Okay. Therefore, through this what we can infer? We can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will be equal to 360 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will be equal to 360 degrees. Okay, using the angle sum property of the polygon. So we have the value of B as 60 degrees here and C as 70 degrees here and D as X, wherein we don't know what exactly the value of A. But if we observe, the external angle of angle A is going to be 90 degrees as it is given. Okay, so the angle at this straight line is going to be equal to, as you know, it is 180 degrees. So 180 minus 90, the angle is going to be 180 minus 90 degrees, which is equal to 90 degrees. Hope you are clear. As here the angle, straight angle is going to be 180 degrees. We have already 90 degrees. So 180 minus 90, 90 degrees. We can take it as linear pair of angles also. Both the ways it is correct. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degrees. Now here we have angle A as 90 degrees and angle B as 60 degrees plus angle C as 70 degrees and angle D we took it, or it was given as X. So sum of these angles is going to be equal to 360 degrees. Okay, now 90 plus 60, 150, 150 plus 70, 220. So 220 degrees plus X is equal to 360 degrees. The reason why we are taking 360 degrees at the RHS is being a quadrilateral. So X is equal to 360 degrees minus 220. If we transpose to the other side, it will become minus 220. So minus 220 degrees. So the value of X is going to be 140 degrees. Hope you understood, children. Very easy problems. All we have to do is we have to calculate what is the sum of all the angles of the given polygon in order to get the required figure. Now let us move to 6th Roman C. So now the C figure. So they gave some angles and marked X, which we have to find now. So let us name the given polygon as A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So now count the sides AB, BC, CD, DE, EA. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a five-sided figure we call pentagon, isn't it? Look, AB one side, BC one side, CD, DE and EA. So total 5 sides, and hence the figure is going to be a pentagon. Right. So clearly A, B, C, D, E is a pentagon. Please check it, children. It is not a regular pentagon. It is just a pentagon. Okay, now look. So what is the sum of all the angles in a pentagon is going to be? It is 540 degrees, because look, in the fourth question we checked a table where if the number of sides is going to be 5, we have to subtract -2 and then we have to multiply it with by 180 degrees. If you remember, when you see a 5-sided figure, you will subtract 2 from it and then you will multiply it with 180. So 3 into 180, which gives 540 degrees. Similarly, what you will do for the 6-sided figure, 6 minus 2 into 180 degrees. Like that we have to estimate the sum of the angles for the given polygons. Here being the 5-sided polygon, the sum of all the angles is going to be 540 degrees. So using that, we are going to find the value of x. Before that, we need to find the value of angle A, interior angle, and angle B, which is also interior angle. From figure, angle A is equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees, which is equal to 110 degrees, because we can write it as straight angle property. Using the straight angle property, we found the value of angle A as 110 degrees, and similarly angle B is equal to 180 degrees minus 60, exterior angle. So 60 degrees is equal to 120 degrees, using the same principle, straight angle. So using the principle of straight angle, we found the interior angles of both angle A and angle B. Now we have A, B, C we are going to find, D we are going to find, and E we are going to find. Here we have the advantage that both are equal. That means x here, x here. That means we have a single variable. Hence it is easy to find the angle. Now look. Angle A plus, let us write it like this. We have angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 540 degrees. As I told, being a pentagon, the sum of the angles is going to be equal to 540. Now look, what is the value of angle here? We have 110 degrees plus 120 degrees plus C is x and D is 30 degrees and E is also x, and the sum is going to be equal to 540 degrees. Okay, some people will put x degrees, simply x, both are same, not a problem. So this is going to be 110 plus 120. So 230 plus 30, it is going to be 360, isn't it? 230 plus 30. Okay, 260. 260 degrees plus x, it is going to be x plus x, 2x is equal to 540 degrees. Okay, 260 degrees plus 2x is equal to 540. We want only the value of, hence we will transpose that 540 degrees. We have to transpose this 260 degrees to the other side where we have 540 degrees. So 2x is equal to 280 degrees. Okay. We just want the value of x. By transposing 2 which is in multiplication to the other side, it will go to denominator under division. So it is equal to 140 degrees. We have the value of x as 140 degrees. Okay, all we need is to estimate the sum of the angles depending upon the number of sides of the given polygons. Hope you are clear with this, children. Please copy this B and C into your CW. Draw the figures using scale and pencil. Don't draw with pen. Okay, and then you please copy the solution. That's all for today. Have a great day.